Hi everyone and welcome for today's little video. It is a chill one. I'm sitting on the couch with my cuddle pillow and it is snowing outside. So it is one of those lazy days where you just want to sit in front of your television with a cup of coffee and watch some chill movies. But I promised you to make a small video to show you the photo that I have picked from the event a couple videos back. For the oil painting demonstration. So this is it. This is the video you have all waited so long for. I know. And yeah, you have sent me so many photos. I really had a hard time picking one. And I probably will have to make a second demonstration with another photo. So some were just really cute and nice. And I had to pick this one. Her name is Claudia. She sent me a couple photos, and also each and every one of her photos is just cute. She has such a beautiful face. I had to pick the photo that I've picked. So you probably have noticed it right away. She has this Mona Lisa smile on it, and I just want to see if I can transfer it into a painting. The painting itself is going to come in the next weeks, so I'm going to start it the next days. And as this entire thing might be too long for just one video, I'm going to split it up into several stages. So the first video probably is going to be about the canvas or board preparation, what to consider, what to pay attention to, and yeah, the initial drawing onto it or transfer the painting, the drawing onto it, my god. Second phase probably is about the first layer and some tips and tricks around it. And the third video about the painting itself and mysteries of glazing and all these stuff. That is more the final phases. And I'm going to try to answer as many questions as I can. I've received a couple of questions over the last weeks that you would like to have answered. If you still have any more questions that you would like to have answered in the videos itself, just text me in the comment box below and I will try to answer as many as I can. This of course is going to become my painting process. There is a number of painting processes that you can do differently, so there is no right and wrong. But yeah, if you are curious to see how my paintings are going to evolve, so from nowhere, yeah, you can feel free to join. And this was just everything that I wanted to announce, present. Stay with me, give me a like for, well, this video is not that important I guess, but give me a like if you like the video. Subscribe to my channel to not miss out any of the new coming stuff, and hit the bell icon somewhere here to get notifications when new videos are coming up. So thank you for your time, thank you for watching, stay safe, and until very soon. Bye bye.